For instance, in ancient Hinduism, the concept of Aham Brahmasmi means I am the universe or I am the divine. This idea suggests that our existence is deeply connected to a universal consciousness. In ancient Egyptian mythology, the deity Amun-Ra is often referred to as the Hidden One or the Great I Am. This symbolizes the creative force that brings forth life and abundance. The recognition of the divine within oneself is essential, and it mirrors the script's emphasis on the active state of life, encapsulated in the declaration, I am. The teachings of Jesus Christ also associate the phrase, I am, with identity and divinity. When Jesus declared, I am the way, the truth, and the life, he emphasized the significance of aligning one's consciousness with the divine.